morning, students. I hope all of you are keeping fine. Yes, my dear students. So let's continue the same chapter. 5 children and 8. So kindly take your book, literature book, page number 36, and you will find these following difficult words. Okay, let's see the meaning. You lot means, that is the way of saying you all. Alright, you will find this word. Again, stunningly means extremely. They were looking extremely beautiful. Okay, that is the meaning. Huddled means gathered. They gathered together. Hedge means boundary or fence. Alright. Snapped closes quickly. When the caretaker, Martha, could not recognize the children, she closes the door quickly. Alright. So in this page, in this paragraph, we are going to see how a caretaker, Martha, she was unable to recognize the children because they had completely changed. And what happens next will come to know. Okay, so all of you kindly take your literature book, page number 36. So when all the 5 children came in the evening for the supper, carrying lamb, Martha, the caretaker of the house, could not recognize them. So she asked them, "Who on earth are you? Who are you?" She demanded. She asked them, "What are you doing with our baby?" She could only recognize the small baby lamb because baby was on his original color. So she could recognize. Therefore, she said, "What are you doing with our baby?" "We are us," said Robert. "Auntie, can't you recognize? We are. Me, Robert. I am Robert. And I am Cyril." Another voice said, "I am Cyril," said Cyril. "Let us in. Allow us to go inside the house. Please, we know we look different. Please allow us. Though we look different, but..." Wanted to explain what had happened, began Anthea. Okay, "I don't know who you lot are. Who you lot are means I don't know who you all are or what you are up to." Snapped Martha. That means immediately she tries to close the door because she was not able to recognize them. But if our children put you up to this, they all be in trouble. Now Martha is trying to tell, if our children will see you, you all will be in trouble. Shoo! She shut the door in their faces. Immediately she shut the door. The children banged at the door and rang the bell. But it was no good. Children tried their best, tried and tried again, banged, rang the bell, but still she did not open the door. They wandered. Finally, children were outside. They wandered away down the lane. They went away in the garden, hungry and thirsty and stunningly beautiful. Though they were looking extremely beautiful, remained now hungry and thirsty because the caretaker Martha did not open the door. Finally, tired. They were tired and with nowhere to go. It was already night, so nowhere to go. They sat down under a hedge near the boundary. They sat down all together. It will wear off at sunset. Wear off means will slowly disappear, said Jane. Jane said, "Don't worry. It will slowly disappear. The trouble will slowly disappear. Then we will look normal again. Then we will look normal again," Jane said. Now the children were helpless, so they huddled together, gathered together for comfort for each other. They fell asleep because they were feeling hungry, thirsty, tired. So they fell asleep. When Anthea woke up, after their sleep, when Anthea woke up, the sun had set already. When she woke up, already sun had set. "It's all right," she cried. Finally she accepted. "It's all right," and she cried. "We are ordinary again." When she woke up, already sun had set and she saw that they were already ordinary again. They came back to their real or normal life again. They looked normal as they were before. "Where do you think we have been? Where do you think we have been?" demanded Martha. "Where do you think we have been?" demanded Martha when they got home. So when they became normal, ordinary, as usual, they came home, and at that time Martha allowed them to come inside. So, where do you think we have been? Children told her that, "Auntie, you might be thinking where we all were whole day. We had some very strange children here this afternoon." Now Martha is saying, telling to these children, now when they became normal, original face. So the Martha, caretaker, trying to tell them that, "Where were you whole day? We had some strange children here in our house this afternoon. They were horrible." Martha is telling these children again, "They were so horrible to look," said Anthea. "They stopped us from coming home until now." Anthea might have told her that they stopped us. They only stopped us coming home until now. Because of that, we were outside. They stopped us. We only just got away, and we were starving. Simply just we went away and we were starving whole night, whole day. "Well, don't you go near them again," Martha is saying to them. "Children, my dear children, don't go near to them again," said Martha, as cook brought in a supper that looked and smelled delicious. Meantime, cook also kept ready food for them, delicious food. By looking at them, it was so delicious, good smell. "Well, take good care to never see them again." Now children, my dear children, take care of you, take care, and you should not see those children again, said Robert. And they never have. After that, they never have that kind of experience. So children, this is all about the story, what happened. So this story taken from or extract from 5 Children and It, written by Edith Nesbit. That's all for today. Thank you. God bless you.